Hi, I'm Paul Basilka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 11th question from the Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is the hardest set of math questions. Number 11 reads, Keenan made 32 cups of vegetable broth. That's a total vegetable broth he made. Keenan then filled X small jars. So, looking ahead a little bit, one of the answer choices is the number of small jars Keenan filled. That's going to be X. It's asking for 5Y. B is gone. Y, large jars. The number of large jars Keenan filled is Y. That's gone. Again, it's asking for 5Y. And then you could simply ask yourself, if it's asking for 5Y and Y is large jars, it's got to have something to do with large jars. Answer choice D is talking about small jars. That's gone. C is your best answer. Now, to have a thorough understanding, hang on if you want a thorough understanding of this, 3 is going to be the number of cups for a small jar. That would make sense because if you picked 1, then you'd have 3 total cups within the small jars. If you picked 2, so 2 small jars, then it'd be 3 times 2 would be 6. So this is the total number. This is this answer right here, 3x, total number of cups of vegetable broth in small jars. Then 5y, total number of vegetable cups in large jars, and 32 is the total thing. So the jars, the large jars, have 5 cups per jar, which makes sense. Larger jars going to have more cups, 5. Smaller jars have fewer cups, 3. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty breaking down linear equations like this. You got to know it better than you knew it in Algebra 1. If there's any question you'd like answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Click the bell button and check out our 1-minute videos. They are just below these videos on the playlist. Go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center, Test 2 Module 2B, and the shorter videos will be right below these. Have a great day.